Hello guys, and welcome back to the Rising Tide. Now in this video, I'll be showing you how to impress your boss by creating an attendance tracking system that is going to help your organization and reduce the load on your human resource. So one of the big pain points about attendance tracking is being able to know when an employee has gotten to work and when he has left work. So one thing is called that is common among all employees is that they will always be connected to the same Wi-Fi, the same internet connection, or maybe like a few different internet connections, but they'll be connected to the company's Wi-Fi. So your application can leverage this technology to create something that is really cool by tracking the employees' Wi-Fi connection to make sure that they are on Wi-Fi, on company Wi-Fi, before marking them as present or absent. So a cool libraries you can use for this project, one of them is the React Native Community Network Info, which you can find here in this link, React Native Community. So I'm just going to demonstrate how the library works. So yeah, I have a blank React Native project with just the network info library installed, and I just have this unsubscribe function that is going to get the network info and the user is connected. So if you check the console, I am usually connected to my phone right now. So if you check the console, you're going to see that my phone is connected to a Wi-Fi, and these are all the information about the Wi-Fi, like the IP address and some other cool stuff. So the subnet mask and everything. So you can use this information to check the user's connection, to check if they are connected to the same company, perhaps not IP address, because we know that can change, perhaps a subnet or the same. Or you can also try to get the strength by seeing the person's distance from work, because now you can see this mine is a 99, it is 99 on 100, and if this is because my phone is actually really close to the Wi-Fi connection right now, but if I move my phone far away, you're going to see that the network strength is going to reduce. So you have other such as the network, the frequency, and the SSID and the BSSID, which is also somewhere in here. So those are like really cool things that React Native, this library, will provide for you. There are other libraries that you can use for this to get more information about the network, such as you have this React Native Wi-Fi Reborn, which gives you all the information you need about someone's connected Wi-Fi. So this library is very in-depth and is going to give you a lot of information about the Wi-Fi, even more than the one I just demonstrated. There's another one called the React. This one is for Expo developers. It is similar to the one I showed you on my code. This one, it is similar to this one. However, this one is developed for Expo only, so it gives you everything you need about the person's network, such as IP address, async, and other things. So keep in mind that these resources, these network tracking resources, they consume a lot of they are very expensive. They consume a lot of data, and they consume a lot of battery power. Like you see, like if you check my console here, you're going to see it's expensive somewhere inside this, which is going to tell you to set it to true, because okay, it's connection expensive. It's true because it is going to consume a lot of battery to run this application. So yeah, there are other things that you need. So let me know if you need any help on or details on how to build such a system, an attendance tracking system, and I'll do a video to help you. So or I will communicate